Hey guys, welcome back to PD 110. I'm pretty excited because this is our final week of instruction as we get ready to go into our final exam week. So Chapter 11 Stress Management is due May 6th. Your final exam will actually be open on May 5th. The exam will be just like the other quizzes and tests that you've taken, no surprises. It's business as usual. Okay, but focusing on this week, very timely for stress management as you prepare to wind down your semester and as you are in study mode and preparing for your finals. We've got a checklist, our video, PowerPoint, quiz, your last physical activity monitoring report, and your last lab. The final exam review is completely optional. I realize some of you have done that already. It's optional. You don't have to. However, you'll find that if you do take it, it's very, 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 very similar to your final exam, which, like I said, is similar to all the quizzes you've taken. So you've essentially seen, you know what the final exam is going to look like. Okay, so quickly covering stress management. Stress is normal. It's a natural part of life. Everyone deals with stress. The issue is how you deal with it, because naturally we all deal with it differently. And so the key to this chapter is stress management, recognizing the triggers and then understanding how you respond to the stress and identifying appropriate methods to cope or manage the stress. Okay, now one last reminder. Go back and check all of your checklist bars for every chapter. If you have any white spaces, go back and complete that assignment. Okay, if you do that and you had a 0 for that assignment, check your gradebook. Anything with a 0, you'll need to notify me that you've made up so I can go back and change that manually. Most of the people in the class have an A. Well, I think the class average is over 93, which is phenomenal. You guys have been killing it. However, I do have a handful of folks that have C's and D's in the class. Just a heads up there. For one, you don't want to C on your transcript. Certainly not a D. And then if you're looking to transfer somewhere, the D likely won't transfer. It won't be accepted. So, and it probably won't even be accepted for your degree program. So just be mindful of that if this is a class that you had to have for your degree. You can go back and make up any assignments. You can retake quizzes. If you made a poor grade on a quiz, say a 60, you don't have to notify me. It'll update automatically when you take it and get a higher grade. However, again, if you have a 0, let me know. Okay, guys, it's an important week for you. To wrap up on a strong foot, and then we'll head into our final exam, which will be available on Sunday, May 5th. You'll have a full week to complete that. As always, I'm here if you have any questions. Just shoot me an email. Make it a great week.